Normal, everyday people are now making more than doctors and lawyers with an internet connection and a laptop or even a cell phone. There are 18-year-old kids living in their mother's basement who are making millions of dollars per year from a single AI tool. Now, one of the biggest opportunities is selling AI services to local businesses. Your local dentist, your barber, the restaurant down the street, they all need help finding new customers. This is how businesses stay afloat. And most of them have no idea how to do it. That's where you come in. But here's the problem. The hard part is not the AI. It's finding clients to sell it to. You can have the best service in the world. You can offer the greatest thing ever. The local businesses 100% need. But if nobody knows about your service, you're not going to sell it. You're going to make approximately $0 because the world is unaware that you exist. The world is unaware of how great the services that you're actually offering. A brand new AI tool just dropped called Lessie AI that completely solves this. Lessie AI is an AI agent that finds people on the internet for you. You describe who you're looking for in plain English, like you're talking to your best friend, and it goes out and it searches the exact people that you want, their name, their email, their background, their business, everything about them. And then it writes a personalized email to every single one of them instantly and automatically. All you do is hit send. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can start making real money from this today. Real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal people to finally start profiting from the crazy, chaotic world of AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. All right, let me show you how this works in real time. So I'm going to Lessie AI. The link is in the description below, and I'm going to type in a real search. Let's say I want to find gym owners in Miami who opened in the last 2 years. Watch this. Gym owners in Miami who opened in the last 2 years. Let's click find, and let me show you what it gives us. Guys, look at this. It just pulled a list of real gym owners in Miami. You can see their names, their backgrounds, what gym they own, and when they started. Check this out. Gym owner, founder, opened in 2024, opened in May, opened 2026, opened 2025. Every piece of information about these people is available on Lessie AI. Now, here's what makes this different from just Googling something. This isn't a static list that you're stuck with. This is a live interactive workspace. I can refine my search right here on the fly. Let me actually narrow it down just a little bit more. Find me gym owners who also have an Instagram account with less than 5,000 followers. Now, watch this. It just updated in real time, showing me the gym owners with less than 5,000 followers. And I'm going to show you later in the video why this is so important. Now, I can click into any one of these profiles and see detailed information about this person. And the AI summarizes it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's click into Brittany right here. It's giving us a summary of this person and her lifestyle and also her business as well. Let's click into another person. Guys, check this out. This information here is so powerful if you're doing outreach. Scrolling to the right. They're a gym owner of these specific gyms, Miami. It shows you where they opened, when they opened, and it shows you how many followers, less than 5,000 followers. And this is so important if you're reaching out to local businesses anywhere in the world and you want to work with them. You want to be their social media manager. You want to create an AI business and contact these people. Now, if I want to export the entire list, I can click on this button up here and it gives us the entire list in a PDF or a spreadsheet. Now, think about how important this is. This would have taken so long to do manually. It's just, if you've ever looked for people's businesses, information, emails, social media, phone numbers, you know that going on Google and scraping manually is a pain in the butt. You'd be on Google for hours. You'd have 30 tabs open. And I've been there before. I've been in that same position. It took me days and weeks to scrape all of this information from Google. The spreadsheets, PDFs, everything was a mess. You'd be copy and pasting names in spreadsheet for days, and you still wouldn't have this level of detail. Lessie did it in about 15 seconds. And later in the video, we're going to go over why this is so powerful and how you can make a lot of money with this type of technology. Look at this, guys. All this information at your fingertips. Now, it's great if you have a good product, if you're selling an AI service, if you're selling a social media management service. But your service, your product doesn't mean anything if you can't get in contact with people. If you can't sell to local businesses, if you can't sell to businesses in general, then it doesn't matter how fantastic of a product you have it's rendered null and void. With Lessie AI, you can narrow your clients and your avatars down to the very, very T. Okay, this is all well and good. I mean, Lessie can find us any type of client that we want for any type of service that we're selling, especially in the AI world. But what good is it if an AI software finds us clients and it doesn't actually help us reach out to them? Let me show you where Lessie gets extremely powerful. Now we can tell the AI something like this. I need you to contact the first 5 of them on the list. Customize the message, make them feel good about themselves, compliment them, and ask them if they need a social media manager. Okay, so it gathered a few emails from the top 5 people on the list, and it's telling us exactly what it's doing. It's keeping the email tone warm, complimentary, and genuine. The content is to congratulate them on opening their gym, compliment their achievements, and offer your social media management services. It's asking you, does that all sound good? Once you confirm, I'll generate personalized emails for the first 5 and show them to you before sending. Now, you can do this for the entire list, guys, for the entire list in one shot. Again, Lessie AI found, here, let's click into this one more time. I'm so excited thinking about this. Like this would have taken hours and hours before. Lessie AI literally finds content. It finds things to complement the business and the business owner on. Look at this. The individual, legendary fitness Doral, transforms lives through fitness. 7,000 followers. They champion discipline, achieving incredible results, expanding from Doral. So it can customize each email. Instead of saying something like, hey, I saw your gym. I like your gym. Let's work together. No, it complements the person. It complements their business. It complements their achievements. It sends them personalized emails. The owners are more likely to open them because this is what it is. Every time I get emails, if the email is generic and if it says something like, hey, I like your channel, let's work together, 100% of the time I delete that. But if I get emails that are complimenting me and my achievements and something about me, if somebody took the time to find something personalized about my life or my business, I almost always respond to them. And this is the key to reaching out, whether it's social media, whether it's DMs, whether it's email, complimenting the person. But you can't do that individually. It'll take you hours and days and possibly weeks. Lessie AI does this all in 5 minutes. It can grab an entire list, find customized and personalized information about this person and their business, compliment them, and send them each a customized email. This is how we make money in 2026. This is how we get customers in 2026. Look at this, guys. Out of the 5 people, it found 2 genuine emails, and it created an entire personalized email for each one. Check this out. Hi, Nick. I came across Wynwood Fitness Club and had to reach out. What you've built is really impressive. Opening a CrossFit gym in Miami in 2024 takes serious vision and grit. And it's clear you've created something special for the community. It goes on to compliment him, compliment his service, compliment his business. And he's asking for something. He's asking to sell a service. He's asking for this person to respond. Same thing for Lazaro. Look at this. I came across Hooper's Gym and had to reach out. Congratulations on opening your gym in Miami. Launching a fitness business in such a competitive market is no small feat, and it's clear you built something special. Perfect. It goes on, just like Nick, to compliment him, to compliment his business. And this is what cold outreach is all about. The more that you can personalize it, the more money you can make, the more that you can scale. With Lessie AI, it makes it super, super simple. Again, listen, if you're sending cold emails, don't send a random email like, hey, good job with your business. I want to work with you. That doesn't work in 2026. People get tons of emails. But with AI like this, you can personalize every single email, and the chance of them responding and working with you goes through the roof. Now, we have a couple of options here. It's asking you if you want him to show you the email drafts so you can review them before sending. It's asking you if you want to send them right away, or if you want to try and find emails for the 3 other people on the list. For now, let's go with number 2. Okay, so now let me show you the exact method how normal everyday people can start using Lessie AI to start making real money. Step number 1, you pick one simple skill that local businesses need. I'm talking about things like making short videos for social media, running their Instagram page, writing their emails, setting up a simple website, managing their Google reviews, which is a huge one. These are things that you can learn in a few days. They're not hard at all. Not years. You don't need a college degree, not a boot camp, nothing like that. Normal people with no technical skills can learn how to do this in a matter of days. A few days on YouTube, and you're good enough to get started. Here's step number 2. Use Lessie AI to find businesses that need your help. You type in something like barbershops in Houston that have less than 1,000 Instagram followers, or a dentist in Phoenix who don't have a website, or new restaurants in Atlanta that opened this year. Lessie finds them for you instantly. Their social media, their email, their phone number, everything. Step number 3. Lessie writes the outreach email for you, a personalized message to each business owner explaining exactly how you can help them grow. You don't have to be a writer, guys. You don't have to even be a salesperson. You don't have to be smooth on the phone. This is not the 1990s anymore. No more cold calling. God, I did cold calling for 6 months. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. Lessie AI does all the heavy lifting. The AI handles the hardest part. All you have to do is hit send. The last step, you charge them. Even if you start small, $300, $500 a month per client, you stack 3 or 4 clients and you're already making $1,200 to $2,000 a month. That's real money, guys. That's a full-time AI business. And as you get better, you get more confident. You raise your prices. Some people charge $1,000, $2,000, and $5,000 a month per client. And these types of services absolutely sell. Here's the great part about this. Lessie AI is doing the hardest part for you, finding the clients and writing the outreach. That's the exact part where most people give up. They learn the skill, which is easy. It's easy to learn these types of skills in 2026, but they can't find anyone to pay them for it. And now that part is completely automated. The barrier to entry is virtually eliminated. Platforms like Lessie AI do it for you. No more excuses, guys, in 2026. You don't need a degree. You don't need followers. You don't even need technical experience. All you need is an internet connection, a laptop, and this tool to make money. No more excuses. One of the greatest pieces of business advice that I ever received is this. The ones who win in any business are the ones who put out massive volume. So if you're a YouTube content creator or a TikTok creator or a social media marketer or selling any type of service, AI or non-AI related, the ones who win in this business are the ones who contact thousands of people per week and not 100 people, not 50 people. If you contact 2,000 people a week and 5 of them say yes, you can charge 1,000 for each person, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to start your own business, but don't expect to contact 50 people and 1 or 2 people say yes. It's not going to happen. It might happen, and it does happen sometimes. But the people who win in this game, in business in general, are the ones who put out massive volume. The more volume that you put out, the more chance you have of people saying yes. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal, non-technical people to finally make sense of the chaotic AI world and how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. And hey, if you want to try Lessie AI, the link is in the description. Click on it, join now, make some money, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.